Agrawal Petrol Pump is an Indian Oil's biggest petrol pump in central Maharashtra. This fuel station is present on National Highway 6 on Khamgaon Road. The owner of the pump is Mr. Prasadji Agrawal. Mr. Agrawal is known for his futuristic decisions and liking for technology. Mr. Agrawal gave the task to Chirayu Power to install a solar system. Due to lack of space, Chirayu Power first fabricated a galvanized shade for them, and then installed a solar panel over it. International solar panels of REC Solar were used for this project along with SolarEdge Technologies optimization inverter. Additional accessories like cleaning mechanisms, FRP walkways, water pipelines, stairs, etc. were also provided for this project. The project got installed in 2018, and since then, this solar system is an ideal solution for Indian Oil Petrol pumps. Flawless design and out-of-the-box support are the USP of Chirayu Power Private Limited. The pump owner is extremely happy with the services and commitment they got from Team Chiaryu Power.